In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the Sourcemods folder to another drive. If you want to free up space on your main drive or keep more of your Steam content on a secondary drive, there's an important detail to understand before you start. Steam does let you create additional library folders on other drives, which is great for mini games and files. But Sourcemods work a little differently. In most cases, they're expected to stay in the Steam installation's Steam apps/Sourcemods location. Because of that, the most reliable solution is usually to keep Steam thinking the folder is in its normal place while actually storing the data somewhere else using a junction link. To begin, open Steam. Once Steam has been to Settings. This is where you can manage your storage locations and configure where Steam keeps content on your system. From Settings, go to Storage, then choose Add Drive. This lets you create a new Steam library folder on another drive. If your goal is simply to put more Steam content somewhere else, this is the standard way to do it. It's useful for organizing your game files and reducing storage pressure on your primary drive. When selecting the new drive, make sure it has enough available space and is a drive you plan to keep connected and active, especially if you regularly use Steam or source-based content. Now, even though you can add another Steam library folder this way, Sourcemods are generally expected to remain in the Steam installation's Steam apps/Sourcemods path. That's the key reason this process is a little different from moving normal game files. If you place Sourcemods somewhere Steam doesn't expect, they may not be detected correctly or may fail to work as intended. That's why using a junction link is usually the safest and most dependable method. A junction link allows the Sourcemods folder to physically live on another drive while still appearing to Steam as if it's in the original location. In other words, you get the storage benefit of the second drive without breaking the path Steam relies on. This approach is commonly preferred because it preserves compatibility and avoids the issues that can come from simply relocating the folder manually. As a general tip, before making any storage changes, it's a good idea to close Steam completely and make sure your files are backed up, just in case. Also, double check the destination drive before committing to the move so you don't run into path or permission issues later. And that's the basic idea behind moving the Sourcemods folder to another drive the reliable way.